Well, hello. I certainly hope you're having a good day. My day isn't going all that well. The AV computer that we have at Crest Baptist Church needed an upgrade. And so I got a hold of a wonderful new computer, new to us anyway, and it's a very much of an upgrade to the computer that we have now. And I was doing some updates on it. And it seems that even me, with all of my IT expertise, I bricked the new computer. That means it is deader than a doornail. So I ended up having to get a new motherboard, and I'm gonna have to replace the motherboard on the new computer we just got. Anyway, I'll give you an update here in just a few minutes. So let's start unplugging everything. All right, we got the old one out. All right, so we have to clean the heat sink and the processor. All right, now comes the big test. Let's see if it actually does work now. Here we go. Hit the on button. So far, looking good. And it looks like we have Windows. If I do the right password. All right, it worked. I tell you, God is good. He does bless us even in our own stupidity. Anyway, the church is going to be glad to have a new AV computer. We'll get all the software loaded up on it, and then we'll be able to enhance God's services for His glory.